going very good. I'm happy to be the King Momo for Goa Carnival 2026, and I'm in Porvorim right now, and it feels so good to be here. Carnival is the festival of joy, happiness, peace, love that we all know. But when I see the people around me and I wave out to them and they wave out to me, it is a very fantastic feeling. It's on top of the world feeling. And very shortly we are going to the floats now. It's a Porvorim float. It's very different. It's going to be a different float. It's going to be a no motor zone also. And you will see, I will give you the surprise very soon, how the King Momo will make his entry into the city of Porvorim.
One more time.